On here, folks. Look at all these. Somebody knows more than I do about these apple trees. Does this mean that this apple tree is going to produce? I doubt it, because none of the other apple trees are blossoming. I got a Fuji, I got Granny Smith, but these are Honeycrisp here, and they are blossoming all over the place. And here's another one. And they all doing their thing at different times. See right here? Bees are flying around. I got blossoms in the pear trees. And I know that they'll do their own thing on their own. This one right here is my oldest one. It's about 5 years old. 5 years old. And each year I get some pears out of it. But this year, I have a pear tree next to it, call it Delicious. It's very young, put in maybe a year ago, but it's going to get bigger and be able to help pollinate. And then you see all these raspberries here. Raspberry plants are moving all over the place. They're coming from other locations, which is, I put them in one location, now they're moving 6 to 10 feet away from where I originally planted them at. So I'm not mad. Raspberries. Beautiful.